Hey gang, I'm back. I just finished this really cool handheld game. It's a little hard to solder because it's so small, but I'm going to get a bigger screen for up there. It's from the MTN Workshop, version 2.1. Well, anyways, before I further ado, I'll show you. Okay, where is it here? This one starts it. Watch him run. Go, Dino, go. Jump. Jump. He doesn't like cactus too much. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Well, anyways, a lot of fun. Um, it uses an Arduino Nano, and, and that's how it powers it. There's not a real lot more to it than that electronically, but it is pretty cool. And I'm planning on uploading some of the other programs from off of GitHub. So I'll get back to you, no pun intended, when they're uploaded. Thanks for looking.